Hi, Leah Chamberlain here. I'm on my office on wheels today. It's a commercial job site that we're checking out, and you'll see the progress as we go along today. And of course, we have to stop off at our Pontiac Home Bakery for our fresh donuts. We have to pull over and take a shot of the sunrise. Okay, so we're here. Always safety first. Wear your hat. Okay, here I am with the TRW03, our commercial units, CU199. It's an IN application with natural gas coming into them, but here they are. Beautiful setup. It's all going into a storage tank, and it is feeding an arena.